Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to use the Higgsfield AI. Let's get started.
YES! YAS! EYSYES!
This is the UI that you get when you visit Higgsfield.ai, and it comes with a lot of different tools. Under the image, you see Create Image, Cinema Studio Image, like a lot of things. Oh, okay, so it can even work for the fashion industry as well. So think of Higgsfield AI more like a cinema studio inside your browser. So under the video, we also have different tools as well. And it has 2.6 at the moment, and Kling 2.6, and a bunch of other important tools, lip syncing, and under the edit we have in Paint. Wow. We also have the assist. Okay, I think the assist is more like it behaves like ChatGPT. It says, welcome, I'm here to help you make most out of the Higgsfield AI platform, whether you are interested in generating photorealistic images, editing images, creating videos, or producing talking avatars. Higgsfield AI offers a wide range of exciting features. It's about to get interesting. So you realize it comes with a lot of features, but in this particular video, we'll be looking at the Cinema Studio. So when you click that in the navigation bar, it brings you to this particular page. You get a sample of what you can create with the Cinema Studio over here. And when you click learn more, it takes you to the landing page of the Cinema Studio to give you more insight into what you can create with the Cinema Studio. When you click the enter the studio button, it brings you back to the Cinema Studio. On the Cinema Studio page, we have our main controls down here, and we can generate images from text prompt. We can also use the images that we generate to also generate videos. We can also describe a scene and use just text to generate image. Now the Higgsfield image generator allows you to upload images. You can click this to upload images, or you can choose from your generated images, or you can choose from the liked images that you have in your asset. You can also generate images from text prompt, or combine the two. Upload an image, describe something about the image or what the shot should be like, and then you would have that over there. And you can do it in different batches, and the batch size goes with the generation credit. So reducing it reduces the number of credits that being used. You can also select the image quality. There's 1K, 2K, and 4K. The default setting is 2K. You can modify as you please. Now we come to this particular button and you realize we have different cameras and camera lenses. You can click up here or down here to scroll between the different cameras that are available. Same applies to the camera lenses, or you can drag them like that to change. Same applies to the focal length. The smaller the focal length, the wider the shot. The higher the focal length, the closer the shot. So let me generate a prompt. The video generator can generate videos from text prompt or image prompt, and it also gives you the ability to change the camera movement. So at the moment there are 17 camera moves in there, and you can either zoom in, you can zoom out, you can let the camera follow the subject, you can pan to the left, and it goes on and on. It's 17 shots actually. And it also gives you the ability to change the duration of the video. So by default it's 5 seconds and it's 8 credits. When you change it to 10 seconds, it goes to 18. Now by default the sound is on, and there's slow motion as well. You can turn it on or off. By default it's off, and you can do different batch sizes, and it corresponds with the credit, so you have to be mindful of that. If you have a starting and ending frame already pre-selected, the sound would automatically be off. Let's look at how we can generate an image from a text prompt. And in this particular generation, I would attach an image that I have already generated from Meta AI as a reference. I have to make sure I choose the camera, the lens, and the focal length. I'll put my focal length at 50. I'll go for the Sony Venice and the Hawk V Light. So I would select the image. So I'll click this. If you don't have the image, any image here, you have to click upload images and then choose the image that you prefer and then click open. Once you are done uploading, you can click this and to be highlighted like that, and then you can use this for your image prompt. So let me click generate and we wait for what Cinema Studio will come up with. This is what I got from my prompt, and it really looks nice, like amazing. Who would have thought Kwekwe Nancy being this heroic? So I would like this video and I would like to animate it. You can also use it as a reference for another prompt. Okay. Now when you click animate, it brings the image straight to the start frame. If you want it to be in the end frame, you can click this caret over here and then click end frame. So let's try that. End frame. So you realize anytime you choose an end frame, the sound is automatically turned off. So you can remove this if you want the sound to be on, because Cinema Studio can generate background sound like sound effects for the shot that you want. So I'll change this to 10 seconds. And then I'll paste the image prompt again. And then let's see what it comes up with. So I want to put my character in the middle of the sea, and let me change the lava color to purple and generate. So this is what I got from extending my prompt, and it perfectly puts my character in the middle of the sea. Let me try changing the focal length to 50, and I'll change the lens to Ari Signature Prime. So this is what I got, and it really looks nice. Let me try a different prompt. So I'm still using the Sunny Venice with Ari Signature Prime and focal length at 50. One other thing you would notice is you can use this slider to change the sizes of the images. You can also view it in a list mode. At the moment, by default, it is grid mode. You can choose list mode to see the images beautifully displayed. So this is what I got. This is insane, honestly. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to try and make some short video with this. And basically that was the video that you saw in the intro. This was the result that I got for the first prompt.
EYSYES! EYSYES!
And then this one.
YES! YAS!
So the preset was jibbed down.
YES! YAS!
And then for this one, I didn't choose a camera movement for the second one. Now let me complete everything and I'll put everything together.
One eternity later.